Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. The day has finally arrived. Today I get my new teeth and I'm super excited. So this video, I thought it was about time I explained why I need dental implants and why I went through all this hassle. But for now, in we go. Don't know how long I'm going to be here, but hopefully when I come out, my smile will be back. So, dental work done for good. I am super happy. I can't tell you, the last month my videos were hard to make because I was very conscious. I had missing teeth and couldn't smile, haven't smiled. When I was editing the last few videos, I'm thinking, no, I need to smile, I like smiling. But I'm over the moon. I have to go back in 10 minutes to pay, and that's it done. I feel amazing. Full dental implants right along the top. No pain today. Fantastic. I've been locked up in my room for 5 days. I was doing a lot of editing the videos, but other than going for a walk and going to the supermarket, I couldn't really go anywhere. I was so embarrassed talking to people. So done, dusted. I haven't much time left in Sofia, so I haven't really seen much of it. I might get a chance tomorrow morning to go into the town. It's my last day and it's 6 o'clock. So back to the hotel, and my flight isn't until 5:30 tomorrow, so maybe go in and have a look at the centre tomorrow, do a wee bit of filming. But back home tomorrow evening and get the van finished, take it from there. Brilliant, over the moon, can smile again. I came here last Friday and this is now Wednesday, and I have basically stayed in the apartment, but it rained until 2 days ago, non-stop, just rained all the time, and it was cold. But it's got far nicer now the last couple of days. I thought this time of the year in Bulgaria it would have been warmer, but it's a lovely temperature today. That's the dental place, Sofia Dental Implants, and I've noticed a few other dental signs around this area. I was never sure if it was worth explaining, but just for anyone who's maybe thinking of getting dental work done, my story is when I was young, I was ill a couple of times and I was treated with penicillin, and not known to us at the time, but penicillin damages your teeth. It weakens them, yellows them. So by the time I got into my teenage years, I had quite yellow teeth that I never ever liked. And eventually decided to do something about it, and at the time the thing was veneers, so I got veneers on the top, and that was great for 3 or 4 years, but veneers start to come off. And what I then discovered after a period of time, my top teeth have weakened and ended up losing a couple far faster than my bottom teeth, and that's because of the veneers weakened them. So I would never suggest to somebody to get veneers. It was a bad idea. Probably should have got all crowns or something like that, I don't know. So in the last 5 years I've been to the dentist a whole lot. One visit after another with various problems. Ended up about 3 years ago he said, I'm going to have to take one of your front teeth out, which unfortunately meant denture, and I had to get a denture. It made me feel old, but more than that, I hated it. I hated having it in my mouth, but I also hated it when I took it out at home and you could see a gap. And then another one went, and eventually I started to look into getting my teeth sorted out properly, and you can't really do better than dental implants. So I always worried, you see Rylan and people in television with snow white teeth and etc., and I was always worried about it, so I did a lot of research. I mean, I looked into it for a good year and eventually settled on a very well reviewed dental place, and I got prices from several, but dental place in Turkey. But unfortunately, when I went at the start of this journey, I got turned away at the border, something stupid because of my tax document for my car, and I was going to leave it for a while, and I was advised to contact this place in Bulgaria. Best thing ever. I've been so lucky. Honestly, this is amazing. Whenever they did the implants initially and put on the temporary, I was amazed at how good it was, and now I'm even more happy, and very, very reasonably priced. I will tell you how much it cost. So it's not a pleasant procedure. It's only one day, the worst of it. One day pain for a lifetime of gain, but it was a very tough day, and it was only from the next day on it was only tender. It was the worst part was the doing of it. Once I got out of the seat that day, although your mouth's in a bit of a mess, it wasn't very sore. So they take out all your teeth, then they cut you open, and then the implants go in. You have to then wait several months for everything to settle down before they complete the job, so you have a temporary the whole time. And as I said, I broke mine a month ago. They warned me, they kept saying, don't be eating anything hard. Well, just as the time went on, I got riskier and riskier, and one day it cracked and it broke. Oh, this will not break. This is zirconium. You have different choices. You can get acrylic, which is the cheapest. A lot of normal dentures are made out of acrylic. You can get porcelain, or the very best is the zirconium. At home, I was quoted 18,000 for my top teeth in zirconium, finished implants and finished teeth, but it was so expensive, and I'll not go into a lot of detail about that. But I eventually got here, very well reviewed as well, and the initial visit where they did my implants and put in the temporary cost me 2,550 total price for everything, €3,700, about £3,100, 18,000 at home, which is just amazing, and it's such a good job. I just can't praise the place enough. I'm delighted with where I got, and he talked to me there. I've got bad bottom teeth, not as bad as my top teeth and not as visible, but he was I asked him about it, and he's talking to me about what they could do. So I think I'm probably going to come back next year and get my bottom teeth done as well. Might as well go into old age with no teeth problems. A couple of years ago I got my eyes done as well, so I didn't have to wear reading glasses, and I got that done in Turkey. I got lens implants, so I'm going to go into my old age with not having to worry too much about my sight or my teeth. But yeah, good day for me, very happy. So if you're considering implants, this place in Bulgaria, I can't praise them enough. And it's Sofia Dental Implant Centre. Super friendly, very, very friendly. You know, the girl behind the reception's a laugh. I had a surgeon, and then the doctor who does your everything cosmetic, the actual teeth, and the surgeon was all on the first trip, both of them, and this time it was all the cosmetic fella. But the other guy's in looking to see how you're getting on, and when the teeth get put in, he's in looking. You know, they're really, really interested, very, very conscientious. So I'll go in and pay my balance, and then I'm gonna go and find somewhere to eat, and then go home and pack.
So I will be part of your video channel?
You are going to be part of my video channel, and a very happy one because my teeth are fixed. This is the receptionist in dental implants. Taking my money. Very nice girl, very good sense of humour. This really is a lovely area, nicest part of being, and although it's all business orientated, it's the nicest place I've been in Sofia so far. You wonder what a place like Sofia will be like in another 20 years. It's always been a poor city, now it's starting to get more prosperous. They're building areas like this. I mean, there's nothing even as nice as this where I live, and hopefully that'll go on and on and on, and cities like this will end up fantastic places to visit or live. I must say, when I get to these sort of areas, I always have a wee seat and I sit down and rest. I like the cleanliness of it. Right, now I'm going to go and find somewhere to eat. That's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs up would be great. Subscribe would be even better, and I'd love to hear your comments. But for now, I'm going to go. Be happy. I'll see you next time. Bye for now. No, this is sheer coincidence. I was going to just walk down towards the city and find somewhere nice to eat. And the first restaurant that I've seen, and there aren't that many. Ta-da! Looks like Stephen's having chicken.